In today's video, I would like to say, before we end today's video, I would like to say thank you to thank you everybody that liked my video that I posted on. Let me see when I posted that video. Sorry for that. I made my intro. Thank you to everybody that liked my video. That liked this video right here. Now I will say I've been wanting to do that. I've been wanting to do that video for a while, but I haven't really got like the energy to make that video. So I haven't really got the energy to make that video. So I decided to make that video so y'all can see how I edit my own videos. Now, I just happy like y'all been showing me y'all been showing me all the love from all my videos. I really appreciate that. But this summer will be the best summer ever. This will be the best summer ever for me because I got plans for my birthday this year, but I haven't really done it about it yet. So stay tuned for my birthday this year. And but yeah, all I wanted to say is thank you for all the love and support from that video. I am going up 2023. I cannot wait for my birthday this year. It is going to be crazy. I'm going to turn up this year. I mean, I did turn up a little bit, but I really couldn't do it because my iPad, my camera on my other iPad was like not working right. So thank you for all the love and support from that video. But at the end of the video, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to see more videos and more videos all coming from me. And I'd rather catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace. Bye.